While 2023 was really mild, there's a lot of trouble that's brewing. A lot of structural drivers pointing to a very, very tight system. And we see, continuing kind of escalations at the political levels, even as we're coming out of COVID and a lot of supply chain normalization has happened. It hasn't happened everywhere, and there's still a variety of production capacity shortfalls and issues with labor and so on with getting projects built. So at the same time, while we have this, severe crunch and shortage in RA, as well as in clean energy overall, we're also seeing, the solar surplus continue to grow and grow and grow. The sort of next step in REC markets is looking more at hourly position. The old way of doing RPS standards is you'd have, annual RECs and compare that to annual load. But we're seeing California is more and more overproduction with solar. We're seeing solar producing into worse and worse prices. The story is pretty simple. It's solar and storage coming online, gas going offline once it can. And it can't do that until there's enough new stuff coming on. So when we think about where basis will land, we think there's going to be a permanent basis from inland to the coast. And that's a simple function of the fact that it's cheaper to build stuff inland than it is on the coast. And that's going to drive a long-term permanent price differential in energy prices between those two places.